Behold the golden mallet done proper. I can get this in focus. There we go.
Hey guys, what we got here is the Fried Farmer's recipe for the Pan-Galactic Gargle Blaster.
Alright.
We've got a Jose Cuervo Gold, Captain Morgan Spiced Rum 100 proof, 100 proof Southern Comfort, a little triple sec, little Rose's wine juice, Jack Daniel's Tennessee whiskey, Sprite, and orange juice.
Alright.
It is essentially 1 part all your major liquors, the triple sec and the lime juice, 2 parts Sprite, orange juice. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do second pours for most of this. Actually 2 second. We're going to try to make a slightly bigger batch and get these bad boys open real quick.
Oh yeah.
If you're familiar with the Pan-Galactic Gargle Blaster, you know it's from the Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy. Alright, so like I said, it's 1 part each of your major liquors, the triple sec and the lime juice, versus 2 parts Sprite and orange juice. Sprite's acting a little funny right now.
Getting really fuzzy. Oh, cover it.
It was.
Huh.
That's very interesting. I don't know what's going on here. Being a sweet bitch.
Sweet bitch. Wow. It keeps trying to come out.
Yeah.
You played with it too much, Tom. Oh, alright, that should be good. That should be good.
It should be.
Should be.
We're gonna hope.
Yeah.
There's Sprite all over my hand now.
God damn.
We'll just we'll get back to you. Alright, anyways.
Alright.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Fucking Sprite. Gone crazy. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
That lime made it smell better.
Yeah. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. Put this cap back on because it won't behave. Close this up.
You can put any ice?
Tight. Nah, we're gonna pour it over ice.
You pour it over ice.
Pour it over ice. Yep.
Shake it for how long?
That's Sprite though.
That's Sprite.
Though. Give me a glass of ice, please.
I'm recording. 2 big dudes
This
in a
glass
small
right here.
kitchen.
Right there. That's powerful.
Powerful?
That's powerful.
That's powerful.
Hey, faster.
Tom wants it faster.
And there we are. Golden mallet.
Otherwise known as the Pan-Galactic Gargle Blaster. Now the rule is,
You should drink very slowly. And I will allow you to drink this until you can no longer say Pan-Galactic Gargle Blaster.
except for us two, because we bought it.
Even you, I think, sometimes. Sometimes you make me worry.
Sometimes you made us worry.
I'm aware. Clean this mess up real quick.
Right. Should that be it?
Yep, that's it.